Hello everyone, this is Crypto Unboxing. As we all know, brands mean everything in the modern world. How else can you guarantee that you're getting the quality and confidence that you have paid extra for? Brand devotion has become a culture of its own, and it is increasingly important to have ways of testing products for authenticity. There are some solutions already in place to combat this phenomena, but they have not proven to be sufficient. Static authenticators like QR codes, watermarks, security threads, or holograms are all eventually copied by the counterfeiters. Moreover, you cannot expect consumers to memorize the complex marking in order to be confident in their purchase. An interesting solution is offered by Seal, a group of developers and creators who found a way to implement blockchain into the verification process. The only reasonable method of checking the authenticity of a product is online by typing in a given code on a website and finding the valid product entry in the database. That works only until counterfeiters get their hands on that code, and then the game of a cat and mouse starts all over again. That's why Seal uses a blockchain and dynamic chips to ensure this data is not duplicable. If the chip and the record on the blockchain are out of the sync, that means the chip has been tampered with. To further ease the life of a consumer, Seal created an ecosystem accessed through a mobile application that allows to verify authenticity, register ownership, transfer ownership, and they are planning to implement theft prevention, analytic information for brand owners, and other useful features. By inserting their chips into products, Seal is planning to eliminate first market counterfeiting, as well as provide to the sellers information like identity theft areas, demographic and behavioral variables, measure retention and brand engagement, detect pockets and areas with more fans or collectors, all to better understand brand identity and help companies see what is happening to their products after they are sold. A working Seal application is out on both iOS and Android. Seal is already cooperating with the world leaders of NFC, near field communication, chips production, and distribution. The newest prototype of the chip they are working on is aimed at the price of approximately 25 cents per chip. The manufacturers are able to pair a product with a Seal Enterprise application, which is exclusive for manufacturers and brands, and issue a finite number of products according to their plan. Each product is tethered to the workers that are involved in production and will prevent midnight shifting or creating multiple copies of the same item. The links are recorded on blockchain for maximum security. Seal aims to become the authority in the world of product verification, so they are trying to build trust among customers and producers alike. They decided to create an Ethereum-based token to be used in the ecosystem. Seal tokens will be used to pay for the services both in the consumer and enterprise version of application. You can pay for authenticity checks and ownership registration with these tokens, but there is much bigger purpose in the works. Eventually, Seal wants Seal tokens to become a currency of trust and transform them into a means of purchasing products, prove their authenticity, and register that you are the rightful owner of the item all at the same time. The first commercial products on the Seal network are planned to be deployed in the third quarter of 2018, with constant improvements and additions planned for long years after. The Seal token presale is starting in the middle of April, so make sure to keep them in mind if you're interested. There is also a bounty program with 1.25% of all tokens distributed among the participants. Please check the links in the description. And now we can say that Seal has been officially crypto unboxed.